David, what do you think about this boat for fishing?
Well, it ain't what we had, but I say we make quite the improvement. This is kind of like sitting on sitting in a lazy boy recliner. You couldn't get no better.
Yeah, we're old and now we're spoiled.
Yep. Yep. I hate to see the other old boat go, but times may be a change. Besides that, we're not walking on. Okay, I guess that's what you want.
Times is hard. You know what? You need to get us each a beer and sit here at this table.
I thought I'd do that.
Well, drop your line right here.
I'm going to.
Hey, that line's more important than that beer.
I got something. That just depends.
Oh,
I can bring in, bro. What?
That's them big ones.
Oh. Did you want this short one? He didn't say that. Oh, boy. You still got it?
No.
Yeah, dude, it was bent all to pieces. Oh man, this ain't even fishing no more.
How y'all doing? Say hi.
What's up, folks? Good to see you again.
They've been wondering where you been, David.
Well, I've had some health issues, and my wife had a few health issues, and it's probably one of the worst years ever.
You know what I think? I think your health issue was you was sick of sitting at the house.
You're probably right. I feel much better.
You ain't got that?
Oh, it's in the water. I'm fishing, bro. I just got sick.
Cheers to our maiden voyage.
Yes, once again, we do it again.
You gonna catch that fish or just fall down? It was hitting it.
Yeah, but I was hitting it at the same time.
Over here in my line, so I was moving too, or was.
No, I just got a little nibble. Oh, there he is. You got a big old rockfish out here.
Two.
You missed.
Oh! Hey, they can't see it on camera. Get above, get above the table.
Here.
Yeah.
That right there is what you call bait.
We're using 4-pound test. We're using 4-pound test line. The size of some sewing thread.
What it looks like, sewing thread. Hey, what I'm gonna do?
Times.
I'm fixing to dedicate this hook to this fish.
Oh, hell, throw him back. He's too big for me. Unless you're trying to catch something like this.
I'm going for the bait bothers. I want some of them bait bothers. Actually, this is just a leisurely trip. Catching a few fish, working in a new boat that Bob recently purchased, which is fantastic. He talked to my doctor. The doctor said I needed to fish. So Bob said, well, so be it. So here I am. No, they just been kind of bad here. That's all. Bob kept checking up on it, kept up with it. Make sure I'm still looking down at the green and not up at the roots.
Making sure you woke up on the right side of the sod.
That's right.
Well, we'll come back when there's something more exciting happening.
I hope it don't get much more.
David, that's a fish. That is a nice bluegill.
Yeah.
Very nice. All right, let him go get his granddaddy.
Come back.
David, what you got there?
One of the finest reels ever seen in your life. This is factory made, and this is custom made. Because your boy can't survive. And just so you know, it works.
That is some redneckery at its finest.
Yeah, well, I learned it from the best. Don't let nobody fool you. PawPaw over here, he fixed my reel. And it works, dude. It works.
Catch some.
I'm trying to. I hope I do. There it is, folks. There it is. Ain't nothing like hickory.
It proves that redneckery at its finest works.
Can't beat old hickory.
Well, we had a fun day fishing. We didn't catch all of them. We wasn't trying to either. But
It was still a good day of fishing.
it was a wonderful day.
Beautiful day on the water, man. The people over on that team, you know, they had a boat. Looks like they live in there.
Huh?
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, not so beautiful there.
I tell you what, this motor tracks good. It don't
Great.
pull to one side or the other.
I think you've done good, brother. I think you've done good right here.
Somebody says, well, your pontoon boats don't go very fast. Well, I ain't no hurry.
Well, I mean,
It's a different type of boat riding here.
Yeah, this ain't pushing. This is just cruise.
This is kick back and drink a cold beer boat riding. Hint, hint.
I was headed that way.